how to view your blocked list on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to view your blocked list on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and here just click these three lines in the top corner and then scroll down. Here you will find it, settings. Now just click privacy, this one, and then click blocked list. And as you see here, you can view your blocked list on Likee app. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.